Hey guys, Theta here with George's. I am here with Clyde accompanying me today on this Friday afternoon. Happy weekend, everybody. We all made it. We actually have a cocktail for you today that we're going to be doing, and it's a refreshing one. Dark and Stormy. I think we've all heard of that before. This is our version of a Dark and Stormy. So we're going to show you just how easy it is because we like easy. We've actually made it a little bit more festive and when I say festive, I mean seasonal. That's what I mean. But anyway, we are actually adding two unique things to our Dark and Stormy. We are adding our apple cider, and we are going to add our George's margarita mix today. Thought it would be fun to feature that. So let's get started. We are going to do our 2 ounces of apple cider. We are going to do our 2 ounces of our dark rum. We are then going to add a splash of our George's margarita mix, just a splash, about 1/2 ounce for anybody who's measuring out. Let's get our lid, which hopefully doesn't blow off for us because
it's been known to happen
before. But anyway, guys, give her a good shake. Good shake here. Let's get this lid off. We're gonna pour it in here just so. Pretty flavor. Pretty flavor. I meant to say pretty color.
It's all good.
Anyway, so yeah, guys, you top it off with your ginger beer is all that we're doing here. Give her a nice little top. We are going to put on our little lime wedge.
There you have it.
We are going to take a sip and enjoy. It's delicious. Gotta tell you, the addition of the margarita mix, the thing that's kind of cool about that is it gives it a really nice punch of citrus almost. It's like a nice citrusy punch, nice depth. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. It's delicious. And it could not be easier. Refreshing for the holidays, any time of the year, but I think this is a really fun, fresh spin for the holiday season, you guys. Give it a try. Check our website out on our website at www.georgesmixes.com. Alex is making me laugh. I'm sorry.
It's my fault.
Anyway, I hope you all have a really great weekend, and cheers to it.